Hey guys, Scotty Z. I hope you're having an amazing day wherever you are in the world. I want to share with you how you can make an extra $1,000 today in your life. Now, could you do with an extra $1,000? That's probably the first question. Do you actually want an extra $1,000 in your life? If you do want an extra $1,000 in your life right now, give me a hell yes in the comments right now. Because for a lot of people out there, and I was in the same boat, $1,000 would change your life. You'd be able to pay that bill, you'd be able to buy that thing, you'd be able to do that thing that you've wanted to do. $1,000 right now would probably help you a lot, right? So how do you do it? This is the beautiful thing about this technology, social media. You have at your fingertips the largest marketplace on the planet, but most people don't know how to use it. So let me give you a quick tutorial of how you can go today and make an extra $1,000. All right? It's the power of story. You have a story, something that you've accomplished in your life that other people would love to know how you did it. Okay? For example, you went from being overweight to losing weight, a classic story, right? You went from having no relationship to an amazing relationship. You went from struggling each week to pay your bills to now having an overflow of money, right? You have a story. You went from binge eating potato chips on the couch to now being a fit athlete that goes to the gym 5 days a week. But for you, you probably take it for granted. But there's somebody out there on social media land, a real person with real feelings and emotions that's watching you saying, if only I could do that too. But for you, it's like, well, it was easy. I just did this and that and that. And it may not have been easy, but it was something that you accomplished. So this is what you do. You pick up a camera like I am, or you start to write, whatever your skill set is, and you tell your story from where you were to where you are and the process that you took. Then at the end of that, you make an offer and you say, hey, if you're also in the same place and you want to transform like I have, comment below and I will get on a phone call or I'll send you some information and I'll show you how you can make the same transformation. Then there's going to be those people that go like, hey, I really like her. I really like him. I get a feeling that they could help me. Now you make the offer. Now, what's your offer? Okay, if it's a classic, weight loss to, or health thing, then you might want to do some sort of coaching. And you're like, Scotty, I'm not a coach. I can't do coaching. That's fine for you. What about me? Get out of your own way, okay? Coaching is nothing difficult. Coaching is merely you extending a hand to that person and saying, walk beside me. I've walked the path. I'm going to retrace my steps and I'm going to tell you what I did and help you to do it too. Okay, so you might do 6 weeks of a weekly call with that person saying, now step here, step there, do this, do that. And that person all of a sudden is making transformation in their life. It's not difficult. It's just as long as you can relate to people. Obviously, if you're watching this video, you like people. You resonate like I do. You love people, right? So you can help that person. Another classic one is, like years ago, I was in Isogenics. I did that MLM thing, right? I give it a shot. It wasn't for me. But the products were really good. And my mum actually lost 10 kilos. Hey, mum, if you're watching this, and kept it off. So I could say to someone, hey, eat this supplements or drink this powder, whatever it is that you do, and you will have the same weight loss that I did, for my mum, for example, right? So that's another great way because the products are already created. Or another way might be financial stuff, okay? So for example, for me, didn't have 2 nickels to rub together, and now I'm doing quite well for myself. Why? Because I found a system online that allows me to make income wherever I want, however I want, in a leverage way. So I can say to the next person, hey, I've walked these steps, I can show you those steps so that you can walk it too, all right? And you may have the same thing in your business. So whatever it is that you've done in your life to transform, there is somebody that is just like you were back 6 months ago, 12 months ago, 5, 10 years ago, whenever you were there, that is watching you, that needs your help. So if you want an extra $1,000, help that person, because that's all we do in this reality. We are exchanging energy, value for value, okay? You want the value of money so that you can give that value to, whatever it is that you want to buy. The holiday, the bill, the rent, whatever it is, you want to give that value for other value. So that person wants to give you value for the value that you have to guide them through the process that they want to go through, okay? It's not difficult to do. You just got to believe in yourself, okay? And again, it comes down to the power of your story. We all love a good story. I was watching nursery rhymes this morning with my son. It's a bit early for it, but that's what he's enjoying right now. And the nursery rhyme stories, the stories is what encapsulates us, our attention, our emotion. Tell your story on social media. And if you guys are following me and you're part of my team, or you're doing, the online marketing that I'm doing, get this information into your head right now. Tell your story every day, and people that will relate to you will come to you because you've been there, they want to go there, and you can help them get there, okay? I hope that helps you. Give me a thumbs up or a love heart if this resonates with you right now. And again, comment the best takeaway that you got from this video, because the more you engage, the more Facebook will put this in front of you. So I hope this information helps. Scotty Z sending love to you and your family. Tell your story, add value to another person's life, and you'll make not only that extra $1,000 this week, but you'll make a hell of a lot more than that, I can guarantee it. I love you heaps. Have an amazing day. I'll see you soon. Cheers.